Okay, so here is the pieces. We have the what's going to be the main body. This is going to be the front panel and the welts. Like I said, we're going to do something a little different. We're not going to put the button on here like I did on the other one. But, yeah, let's get these cut out. Alright, so we got everything cut out. This is that long piece. This is how it'll be oriented together. This will be the front piece that's going to get tooled here in a minute. Oh. And there is the welt. So it'll all go together like so. Alright, so what we're going to do here is a simple border. It's going to go all the way around. I don't know if you could see, but I have marked a pencil line using this here. What I'm going to do is put a little bit of water in this cup. This thing wet. What I'm going to do is take this swivel knife, go around the edge, make a little border, light, and then I will stamp this design in there. Alright, and that would be the finished product with a nice little border stamp going around there. Now we're going to let this dry, and then I'm going to take the whole thing outside and dye it. And then comes the fun part, assembly. See you here in a minute. Alright, so what we got going on here, we got it dyed up, maker stamp. Glued these two halves together. So what you do is you put glue from here down the entire length of the sheath there and clamp it so it dries overnight. That way this is still open for your belt loop. And you take your template for your welt and mark it here. I have a actual scuffing tool that's made to do this, but you could take an awl or anything and you just scratch this up because it's a smooth surface, so the glue won't stick to it very well otherwise. And I did the same thing here. This is what it looks like when it's all clamped up. So that's the actual, hold on one second. So this is our actual welt glued onto our front piece, like so. That is how the whole thing's going to go together. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's throw a little glue on and then clamp this bad boy up. And there we have it all clamped up. That's quite a workout for my little mini clamps. You got 4 layers of 7 to 8 ounce holster leather there, but it's doing the trick. And we'll just let that dry and run a stitch along the side there. Well, we've made some progress here. We've got the knife all put together and I stitched it up. I have sanded the edges smooth. They still need to be, I still have to do the finish work on them, which would be the gum tricanth. But other than that, that would be a complete knife sheath right there. Let's see how it fits. Oh man, like a glove. Look at there. That looks nice. What do you guys think? If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. I'm doing my best to do tutorial videos. This will be up on the website soon. You can check that out too, mstoutdoors.com. Let me know what knife you'd like to see a sheath made for next. I do make gun holsters as well, but I'm really enjoying these knife sheaths and definitely gonna start offering some more. Let me know in the comments down below what's your favorite fixed blade knife. That way I know what to look for. I got some in the future here I want to do. I've got this old K-bar. Give it a shot. Let me know. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.